This is how to add size in shoes or attributes in WooCommerce so customers can select the right fit. On your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Products, then click Attributes. In the name field, type size. Leave the slug field empty as it will auto-generate. For default sort order, click the drop-down and select Name Numeric. This makes sure sizes display in proper numerical order, like 6, 7, 8, instead of alphabetical order. Click Add Attribute. Now click Configure Terms next to your size attribute. In the name field, type your first shoe size, like 6. Click Add New Size. Repeat this for each size you offer. Add 7, 8, 9, or whatever range your shoes come in. Include half sizes, like 6.5 if needed. Once all sizes are added, go to Products, then All Products. Click Edit on the shoe product where you want to add sizes. Scroll to the product data section and change it to Variable Product. Then click the Attributes tab. From the dropdown, select Size. Check Visible on the product page and used for variations. In the value field, select the sizes for this specific shoe. Hold Control and click multiple sizes to select them, or click Select All. Click Save Attributes. Then in the Variations tab, click Generate Variations, and under Bulk Actions, set a regular price so it adds a price for each variation and doesn't show as out of stock. Update the listing. Now go to your product page on the front end. Customers will see a size dropdown with all the options you added. They can choose their size before adding the shoes to the cart.